Nowadays, cooking has become so much more convenient. This is because of the fact there is a specific tool for every specific cooking purpose. One such famous tool is the fish fillet knife. A fillet knife is an important tool when you decide to process the fish you caught. Having the right equipment for fishing is a necessity no matter if that is catching fish or cutting up the meat. Preparing fish for cooking is a simple process that can be done easily with the right fillet fish knife. Whilst you can use any fillet knife with other types of meat such as beef and poultry, you need to get a quality fishing knife specifically. This type of knife has a thin and flexible blade which is also short and narrow. The blade of a fish fillet knife delivers you with the ideal mix of precision, control and maneuverability. With it, you are able to easily remove fins, skins, bones and intestines. Also, a well-made fish fillet knife will be highly flexible and will easily bend to make chopping a lot easier for you. So we have singled out the 5 best fillet knives most adept at filleting fish.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
What better place to start fishing for an awesome fillet knife than a veteran Swedish knife company that has been in the business for well over a century? The Morakniv Fishing Comfort with Sandvik stainless steel blade fillet knife is a superb catch. It is 6.1 inches long, versatile, thin, flexible and enables you to make precise cuts on any size fish that you have at home. This is also an impressive knife to handle delicate fish to provide you with that restaurant quality dressing. The whole knife measures 10.6 inches long and features a 6.1 inch stainless steel blade that is also available in a smaller 3.5 inch blade. This knife features a razor-sharp 1.9mm thick Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade with a rubberized handle. Therefore, the 0.07-inch thick knife blade is resistant to corrosion and durable. With a high friction handle, it should be simple to maintain your grip and benefits from being non-odor absorbing. Moreover, it comes with a tough plastic sheath for included protection when on the move and while storing, and even has a belt clip and loop for convenience while you're fishing. If you're scouting for a fish fillet knife that is also perfect for cutting herbs, fruits, veggies and raw meat, then Morakniv Fishing Comfort will be the best for you. Also, this makes it a fantastic and a safe choice for beginners who will probably cut their fingers if the knife slips. If fishing is something you take seriously, then you should consider getting a fish fillet knife with an award-winning design. From the Gladiator series, the flexible fillet knife from DALSTRONG 6 inches is a multi-purpose device for your daily descaling, defilleting, deboning and all other cutting chores. It is made with high-carbon German steel that provides the fillet knife its impressive strength, plus the blade can retain its sharp edge for a considerably long time. And 2mm thick, this fillet knife is suitable for skinning and removing bones from large fishes. The edge is painstakingly hand-sharpened to 6 × 18 degrees per side, maintaining the ideal balance between blade sharpness and maximum resilience. In addition, it includes a water and stain-resistant BPA-free protective DRILLSTRONG perfect fit sheath. Moreover, this knife features a beautiful, ergonomic and ambidextrous black G10 handle, carefully designed for maximum comfort and maneuverability. Overall, this great knife is an exceptionally designed culinary warrior ready to fillet, debone, descale, trim and butterfly all manner of fish and poultry. The Wusthof Classic IKON Proper Fillet Knife benefits from a thin, flexible 7-inch quality blade that is slightly curved and made out of stainless steel for increased precision cutting and durability. This full-tang knife benefits from triple riveting on the handle, which can help to improve your control over the blade and can result in more accurate cutting. Furthermore, Wusthof's precision edge technology, PE Tech, yields a blade that is 20% sharper with twice the edge retention that helps keep your cutlery sharp and minimizes downtime spent honing and sharpening edges. Also, its handle is made from a durable polyoxymethylene, which is designed to be resistant to discoloration and fading. Plus, it is designed to be comfortable to hold with a contoured handle for improved cutting precision and reduced fatigue. Additionally, this high-quality knife comes with a durable leather sheath that protects the blade and delivers included safety while you are on the water. However, give your kitchen an extra edge with this Wusthof 4626-7 classic IKON 7 inches forged fillet knife with an amazing handle. The KastKing fillet knife boasts a strong 9-inch German steel quality blade, which is engineered to be razor sharp and flexible for precise cutting. And the quality fillet knife is crafted for filleting fish and deboning meat and has a secure grip for control. KastKing knives are built for the outdoors, and this one comes with a durable, lightweight sheath that has open slots to allow water to drain through. Razor sharp and flexible, this curved blade makes fast work of any kind of fish. It glides through the contours effortlessly and cuts through fish like butter, resulting in professional level fillets. The tip is superb for an intricate workaround and in between the bones. Also, the German 41/16 steel has superior resistance to corrosion, making the KastKing one of the best fish fillet knives for saltwater fish. On the handle end, the super polymer grip handle has made this knife a top-rated fillet knife when it comes to handling. It feels outstanding in the hand, while the non-slip grip delivers a sure grip even when your hands is slippery. Furthermore, the locking sheath comes with guarantees that the knife won't slip from the sheath. All in all, with a comfortable non-slip grip and a super sharp flexible blade, the KastKing professional level fillet knife will fulfill every angler or chef's dream. The Bubba 110-volt electric fillet knife can be a wonderful option if you're looking to fillet a range of different species, as it comes with 4 separate blades. The 7-inch and 9-inch flexible blades can be suitable for filleting small to medium fish, and the 9-inch and 12-inch stiff blades can be better suited to filleting large fish. All of the blades have serrated edges and are made from durable steel with a titanium nitride coating for improved corrosion resistance. In addition, the Bubba blade knife is designed to operate quietly and features an 8-foot power cord. It is also built to allow ventilation to prevent the handle from overheating. The handle is grippy and benefits from having a safety lock and a trigger guard to protect yourself. Moreover, this electric fishing fillet knife comes with a carry case for easier storage. This Bubba blade fillet knife is perfect for all types of fish, and the size of the fish really doesn't matter to this monster. Finally, if you are a fisherman in particular, you should have no second thoughts when choosing this electric fillet knife.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.